with it, back at it again. This time I am bringing my daughter into the hair salon today to do a weave installment. She requested half up, half down. This will be her first weave that she ever received from her mother, okay? She's 14, so I thought it was about that time for me to install a weave in my baby hair. I really was hesitant about doing this, but I made a promise to her when she get in 9th grade, she would be able to receive an install. We are using my Beauty of Royalty bundle. I will be sure to leave the link below. This is the outcome. I hope you guys like it. Please be sure to leave your comments down below and let me know if you would allow your 14-year-old to wear this hairstyle. I thought this hairstyle was still kid friendly with the bow, and I just love the whole outcome. Like, this looks so cute on my baby. I believe she is in 9th grade. You guys, book an appointment with me today. Please like, comment, and share.